try and finish off my half sleeve on this arm. I'll show you that in a minute. But for breakfast I'm having a shake, which is chocolate oat milk, 1 banana, maybe like a cup of blueberries and a cup of strawberries, and then I'm just going to blitz it all. Right, so I've got some normal tap water but in a filter bottle. I've got this for breakfast, which is my shake, and then I've just got another bottle of water and a granola bar, gluten free. I'm going to pack that up and then get going. So here I am, I'm at some boating area, I'm not really sure where it is, but it's in Gosport. Unfortunately my tattooist couldn't make the appointment because she's got a poorly tummy, so I hope she feels better soon. So rather than just jumping in the car and heading home, I thought I would check out the sites around because I haven't been here for quite a while, and I used to live in Portsmouth, so I kind of know the area but not Gosport so much. So I just thought I'd have a bit of a wander really, and it's a lovely day, really. I've got a map of Gosport here, don't really know where I am. Oh, here. Hi there. So I'm just having a bit of a walk around to discover the areas that I've not been to here. So I'm walking around Gosport and it's pretty quiet at the moment actually. There was quite a few cars a minute ago, which is quite nice. So I'm going to tell you a bit about the history of Gosport. I don't really know much about Gosport, to be honest with you. It's in the South Hampshire, near to Portsmouth. You can actually get to Portsmouth by a ferry. It used to be a naval town and it still has the HMS Sultan, I believe. Silly boy.